For this session, we're going to create the medical errors data file so that we can do the statistics assignment in the next session. In order to create the medical errors data file, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Data Files, and then we're going to go to Medical Errors, and the comma delimited file is down here. So we just copy everything. We want to make sure we get the whole thing. We'll copy it. We'll open up Notepad. We'll paste. And we've got everything in there. And then we will save this. And let's put it on our desktop. And let's call it Medical Errors Temp. We'll just make it a text file. It already exists, but that's all right because I created it before. Now, we don't need this anymore. We will open up SPSS. We'll ask for a new file. We'll go to File, Read Text Data, and it's on our desktop, and it's called Medical Errors Temp. And click Open. And we get the text import wizard. We just click on Next. It is the delimited file. We didn't include the variable names at the top. Each line represents a case. We want all of them. We don't want spaces, but we do want commas. It's a comma delimited file. Next, we'll just accept whatever variable names they give us and finish. And we have our new data file. We can look at the data view, which looks right. The variable view, however, is undocumented. Now we could go in and document everything the way we usually do, but I'll show you a shortcut. In order to do this shortcut, we're going to go back to our data file. We'll step back one, and we will go to Example Medical Errors data file and open it. Okay, so now we've got two SPSS files. One, our example, is documented. And the other, well, let's put it this way. The other, the one we just created, is not documented. Basically, what we want to do is we want to take the documentation that exists in this file and put it here. And doing that's relatively easy. I'm just going to go over to the example one, highlight all the variable names, copy, right-click and then copy. Go over to the one we just created from the text data and right-click and paste. The types are the same. The width, now we can leave that at 17. We'll click on Labels. Right click, copy, Back over here to the one we just created. And paste. And we'll also do the same thing for the values. We can change the columns to 11 if we want. And we will look at the data, make sure we have everything right. Looks pretty good. We can change the view. Now we don't need this anymore. We don't need our example anymore because we've got everything documented. Before we do anything else, let's save it. We'll go documents, we'll go we'll call this file, and we'll call this medical errors. And save it. We're done. We're ready to do the statistics assignment.